Hello everyone. Today in this video I'll be showing you guys how you can deny or prevent Snapchat from using your photos application on your iPhone. So it's very simple. Just stay in the video. Let me show you how you can do it. So for that, go to the settings, and in this place you just need to swipe down, and after that you need to find this option called privacy and security. After coming to this place, you did not need you after coming to this place, just tap photos, and from here you just need to swipe down and find Snapchat. As you can see, it is Snapchat. Tap here once, and from here, as you can see, it says full access. Now if you don't want Snapchat from using your photos application, just tap here none. Now Snapchat won't be able to access any of your photos from